Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And before I start today's discussion, I personally and humbly urge all of you that whenever you appear any test series, because many of the YouTube subscribers have already enrolled in our test series. If you have not enrolled, then without wasting time, just do enroll it today. It will cost you 599 rupees. We are providing 40 high quality GS paper 1 tests, and it will help you in cracking the prelim examination. And what I personally say, that if you score less, say for example, if I will score less in a particular test, do not get disheartened. Say for example, whatever you learn from a particular test, try to apply it in the next test by improving, by having a mindset that I will improve and I will crack, I will score the better. Try to fix a target of achieving this much marks, and try to improve your accuracy. MCQ handling. What is MCQ handling? If you want to handle the MCQ better, there is a tips and tricks you have to discover yourself. If you can handle better MCQ, then slowly you will come to know even the Tukkagiri, because many of the students also do Tukkagiri. You can do Tukkagiri only after a particular threshold, and that Tukkagiri is not, you can say, I personally not favor of it. You can take few calculated risks on certain thing after correcting whatever you know. There is a particular pattern in which you supposed to be appearing MCQ. What is this? That first you supposed to be correcting or doing all the things that you know in the first place itself. आपण माने जो जो MCQ अच्छी से जगह फास्ट रे जति की भलो जानि जंदी सब जगह कर दियंतु. तापरे आपण देखंतु कि को MCQ अच्छी जुडाई रे कि मु टिके आउ टिके भलो करि परिबी, माने मु जानि छि किंतु किछि इन्फॉर्मेशन सेटारे कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क नियंतु. जोडारे बिल्कुल जानि नांती सेटा बिल्कुल छाडी दियंतु, because that will you will end up in awarding a negative marks for yourself. So without doing this, you supposed to be having a focus that no, in this particular question I will attempt it and I will see, and try to improve your accuracy level. MCQ is all about accuracy. How much accurate you are guessing. If your accuracy is in the 80% or 90%, the chances that you will easily clear. So that is the thing. How without knowing anything, you not supposed to appear a particular MCQ. If you if you don't know a single fact of a particular question, then do not appear. My sincere suggestion to all, my humblest request to all of you guys, do not appear. If you do not know a single fact about a particular question, I hope you got this particular point. Get it printed on your head so that you do not do this mistake. There are certain silly mistakes. What happens in handling MCQ, though people know a particular answer, what they do while they mark in the OMR sheet, instead of B, some people even mark C by silly mistake. This kind of a silly mistake you can avoid. How? By joining a particular test series, by joining our test series and taking a OMR sheet and practicing it. 38 means you are exactly marking B of 38. 42C means you are exactly marking 40C. That is the thing. When you do it in a practice format, that is going to be very, very helpful in the prelim examination. Because what happens, even if you know a particular fact, while marking on the OMR sheet, sometimes people do mistake, and this mistake will be very, very costly. If you do that mistake in the exact exam, in the prelim examination, OPSC prelim examination. So make it a habit, take a OMR sheet, do not write in a, you can say, notebook format, A, B, C, D. That is not going to help you, because OMR sheet will give you that particular practice which is required to crack the prelim examination, because it will give you, you need to take out some time for darkening the circles. Not only that, while marking, you will not be doing mistake if you will do continuously doing this practice with our master key set. And I have advised and I have uploaded a link in my WhatsApp group in which I upload the PDF test. I have advised them to take a printout of the OMR sheet and do practice whatever PDF. Every day I put only one set, because they are supposed to be in the preparation mode. Every day when I put one particular set, then they are supposed to be appearing on that day, so that they are supposed to be discovering something new fact and try to apply it in the next exam. Every day they are supposed to be motivated to appear in the next day's exam. So this is the thing. This is all about telling you how to handle MCQs. You can slowly discover your own way and try to improve the accuracy slowly through practice. And today we will be discussing master key set number 9. This one we will be discussing, very important discussion. In which state Indian President Ramnath Kovind has inaugurated a museum dedicated to life of former Army Chief General Kodana Subbaiah Thimmayya? Is it A, Tamil Nadu? Is it B, Punjab? Is it C, Karnataka? Is it D, Tripura? What is the answer of this question? The answer is C, Karnataka. Karnataka is the state where the president has inaugurated a museum dedicated to life of former Army Chief General Kodana Subbaiah Thimmayya. This is the thing. Then coming to the next MCQ, India's first ever geothermal power project. India's first ever geothermal power project implemented by state-owned Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ONGC in which state? Is it A, Himachal Pradesh? Is it B, West Bengal? Is it C, Jammu Kashmir? Is it D, Ladakh? India's state-owned Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, it is going to be set in D, Ladakh. Ladakh is the place where India's first geothermal power project will be implemented by the state-owned ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Remember it, very important fact. Then 2024 Olympics will be held in which city? Very important, because Olympic has been delayed. You know, the Olympic was scheduled in 2020. It's a leap year. Generally Olympics are held in the leap year, but what happened due to this corona crisis, they have postponed the date of Olympics, and currently the Olympic is scheduled in July and July end week, like 24 or 25 July to August 14 or 15, like this is the time in Tokyo Olympics is going to be held, if there is something no more disaster for which they have to again postpone. But till now there is the Olympic is going to be scheduled in the last week of July to August second week. So this is the thing, when 2024 Olympic, where it is going to be held. Is it A, Tokyo? Is it B, Paris? Is it C, Los Angeles? Or is it D, Beijing? The answer is B. Paris, France. France, their 2024 Olympic is going to be held in 2024 Paris, France. This is the answer. Then coming to the next question, FIFA World Cup 2022 will be held in which country? Is it A. Qatar? Is it B. Canada? Is it C. Mexico? Is it D. US? You know, FIFA 2022 FIFA Football World Cup is going to be held in Qatar. A. Qatar. 2022 Qatar. Remember it. Then coming to the next question, one belt, one road policy relates to which country? Which country started this one belt, one road? Is it A. India? Is it B. Bangladesh? Is it C. Bhutan? Is it D. China? The answer is D. China. One belt, one road policy it is of China. Then, which European nation was first in bringing printing press to India? Very important one. Is it A. England? Is it B. France? Is it C. Portugal? Is it D. Holland? Which European nation was first in bringing printing press to India? The answer is C. Portugal. Portuguese people were the first in bringing the printing press to India. Then coming to the next question. Next question is very important. To which state Indian Union Article 35A was related? Article 35A was related to which state, which has been scrapped? Let me know in the comment box. Article 35A was about which state? Is it A. Assam? Is it B. Sikkim? Was it C. Jammu and Kashmir? Sorry. Was it D. Manipur? Try to answer this particular question. Very important. 35A was related to which state? Many of the students know about a particular article, but this one is also related. The answer is C. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, this 35A was related to Jammu and Kashmir. And after the J&K reorganization bill, 35A and 370 both got scrapped. Coming to the next question, Mission Satyanistha is a program launched by, is it A. Indian Army? Is it B. Indian Postal Department? Is it C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? Is it D. Indian Railways? Mission Satyanistha, it is related to what? The answer is D. Indian Railways. Indian Railways has started this Mission Satyanistha, this particular mission. Then coming to the next question, National Conference on E-Governance 2020 was held in which city? National Conference on E-Governance governance was held in which city? Is it A. Bengaluru? Is it B. Chennai? Is it C. Mumbai? Is it D. Delhi? The answer is C. Mumbai. National Conference on E-Governance held in Mumbai. Remember it. Coming to the next question. Recently, Karnataka government declined to accept the report of a committee recommended declaration of 1576 village located in Western Ghats as an eco-sensitive area. What is the name of that committee? one particular committee, that a particular committee got established for doing recommending about a particular thing on a particular area, and that particular committee has recommended certain recommendations, and Karnataka government rejected that about certain villages they will not be accepting the committee's recommendation. What is the name of that committee? Is it A. TSR Subramaniam Committee? Is it B. Kasturi Rangan Committee? Is it C. MB Shah Committee? Is it D. NK Singh Committee? The answer is B. K. Kasturi Rangan Committee. K. Kasturi Rangan Committee is very important. Google it. It is on Western Ghat on this particular thing. So Karnataka government has rejected that they will not be accepting this committee's recommendation. Then coming to the next question, which of the following bodies was constituted on the recommendation of Santhanam Committee? This particular organization got set up due to the recommendation of Santhanam Committee. Let me know in the comment box when Santhanam Committee was established. Is it A. Central Information Commission CIC? Is it B. National Human Rights Commission NHRC? Is it C. Central Vigilance Commission, that is CVC? Or is it D. none of the above? Santhanam Committee, very very important. The answer is C. Central Vigilance Committee, CVC, got established. You know that vigilance, this vigilance department, that particular thing came into being after Santhanam Committee recommended that no, we supposed to be having a vigilance which will be raiding and knowing about the especially the corruption in the public offices and politicians and all that. This is the thing which is very much important. So Santhanam Committee related to vigilance. Remember CVC. Then coming to the next question. Next question is what? A report on the policy recommendation of Indian Ocean security by 4 think tank from Quad countries. Quad countries, you know, was launched by the Vivekananda International Foundation. Which of the following country is not a member of Quad? Which of the following country is not a member of Quad? Is it A. USA? Is it B. Australia? Is it C. India? Is it D. France? Which of the following country is not a member of Quad? India, USA, Australia, France. Try to answer this question. The answer is D. France. France is not the country of Quad. So this was it. Then coming to the next question. Next question is, what will follow if a money bill is substantially amended by Rajya Sabha? What happens when a money bill is substantially amended by Rajya Sabha? Is it A. Lok Sabha may still proceed with the bill accepting or not accepting the recommendation of Rajya Sabha? Is it B. The Lok Sabha cannot consider the bill any further? Is it C. Lok Sabha may send the bill to Rajya Sabha for reconsideration? Is it D. The President may call for joint sitting of the bill? Try to answer this question. Very important question from polity. The answer is Lok Sabha may still proceed with the bill. You know about the power of Lok Sabha as far as money bill is concerned. Even if Rajya Sabha amended the significant portion of money bill, still Lok Sabha can continue with the whatever the bill format Lok Sabha has already passed. So this is the way how Lok Sabha is supreme as far as money bill is concerned. Not accepting the recommendation of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha may still proceed with the bill format in which it has passed the money bill. they can accept it or they can totally reject the Rajya Sabha. So this was all. With this we complete today's discussion. If you are interested, then join our test series without delay. Our test series group is growing quick and fast. Without delay, do not think that okay, OPSC will notify, then only I will join a test series. Without delay, join our test series. It will cost you 599 rupees. We are providing high quality 40 high quality GS paper 1 set, and it is going to be very helpful for your prelim examination. Take care of yourself as well as your loved ones. Do not venture outside if you are not having any urgency. Do vaccinate yourself. If vaccination is available in your area, do vaccinate as soon as possible. Thank you very much.